Hi, Nick here from Ingham Hyundai. Welcome back to the all-new Santa Fe and my top 20 picks. Today, we're doing blind spot detection. So the blind spot detection system works when you're driving on a dual carriageway or a motorway, and on both sides it's monitoring cars behind you, and once it senses that they're actually in a blind spot where you might not be able to see them, your ring mirrors will light up with a little orange symbol, and when you indicate to actually pull across, it will give you an audible alert to make sure you double check whether you're going to actually pull across and cut that car off. Fantastic feature for your safety on motorways and dual carriageways. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in taking one for a drive or learning a bit more about it, pop in and see us at Ingham Hyundai. We'd love to show you through it. Look forward to next time. Thank you.